Dear friends, today we are discussing the most important topic, that is electrochemical machining, which is in advanced manufacturing process. You already know that the electroplating process, which is depositing the material atom by atom. Everyone you know this electroplating process, but this electrochemical machining process is a reverse electroplating process, where removing the material atom by atom. And if you see the schematic of the diagram, this is the electrochemical machining process. Now, what is electrochemical machining process? Electro, this term electro, that means electrical energy. Electrical energy. And chemical, that is chemical reaction. In these two combination, electrochemical machining is done. Now, there is a tool. There is a tool. And there is a workpiece. There is a workpiece, which is connected a DC power source, and there is a hole in the workpiece to deliver the electrolytic solution. Why there is a hole? We discuss in later. Now, there is a DC power supply in tool and workpiece. So, there is some potential difference between tool and workpiece. Here, workpiece is in anode. Why? Because anode always dissolve the solution. So, we are here removing the material atom by atom. So, anode here workpiece and tool is cathode. So, if the tool is Fe, so reaction is Fe. So, if workpiece is iron, the chemical reaction of iron is Fe2 plus 2E. And if the solution, electrolytic solution is NaCl, you know this is Na plus and Cl minus. So obviously here some water is also available, that is 2H2O. H2 plus 2OH. Now this is basically corrosion reaction. And after that there is some current is applied in tool and workpiece. The reaction is NaCl with the NaCl, that is sodium chloride, Na plus Cl minus, and with the addition of water, that is H2 plus 2H. Now with Fe and 2H, if added, Fe plus 2H is added, the combination is FeOH2, that is your sludge, which is stored in this electrolyte solution. After sludge is input in this chamber, then filtration of the electrolytic solution, again it go through the pumper and filter and fill the electrolytic chamber. This is happening in electrochemical machining. Now, why this throughout gap is required in this tool? Because there is production of hydrogen gas, and this hydrogen gas is basically very explosive, and it may occur in fire in the machining zone. So to remove this hydrogen gas, there is some hole to blow out in the outer section. It is the one of the reason in the hole in the tool. So this is the basic material removal process of electrochemical machining. There are some process parameters, that is the electrolytic solution, that is we are use NaCl or NaOH2. There is apply of voltage, maybe it is used 30 voltage. There are some tool which we are used, that is basically electroconductive, that is your copper, bronze, and you are using workpiece that is harder than the tool, that is maybe inconel, monel, this kind of super alloy. And the application of this electrochemical machining is in turbine blade, to make the turbine blade. In my next lecture, we are discussing the material removal rate mechanism with numericals. Thank you.